Here's how I process dandelions to use as food and medicine. I use all parts of the dandelion, the flowers, stems, leaves, and roots. First, I dig them up. This tool comes in handy, or you can use a spade or a shovel. Next, rinse off the roots with a water hose. This helps get a lot of the dirt off before bringing them in the house. Then I scrub them one by one to remove any remaining dirt, and rinse the leaves well. If in the flowering stage, I remove the flowers and save them in a jar to use in teas, to top foods with, fry, etc. I save any unopened flower buds to make dandelion capers with, and save the stems to use in place of noodles in recipes. Next, I separate the roots from the leaves using scissors or a knife and snip the roots into fairly even sections. I will roast these later to make dandelion root coffee and to add to baking recipes. If roasting, it is important to cut the roots as evenly as possible so they will roast in the same amount of time. The thinner, scraggly roots I put in a separate pile to use in teas. I don't roast these as they tend to burn when roasting since they're so thin. Then I spread them on a paper towel to air dry for a week or so, or dehydrate them in a dehydrator. I have recipes for this dandelion root coffee and cookies on my page. Next, I separate the larger dandelion leaves from the smaller leaves and toss out any funky looking ones. I use the larger leaves in sautéed recipes and soups, and I eat the smaller ones in salads, wraps, sandwiches, etc. Dandelion is one of my favorite plants to work with and is so abundant. Here's how I process dandelion.